there, fellow home bakers. Today we're diving into a game changer for both your health and your wallet. Freshly milled flour. Trust me, it's life changing. Milling your flour fresh at home isn't just about your health. It's also a great way to save money. Let's walk through some practical ways our family saves money with fresh milled flour and how you can too. First up, let's talk nutrients. Whole grains are packed with vitamins and minerals like B1, B2, B3, B6, E, and magnesium, iron, and zinc are minerals. Unlike store-bought flour, freshly milled flour retains all these natural vitamins. This means you can reduce or even eliminate the need for multivitamins. With a nutrient-rich diet, you'll rely less on supplements and more on whole foods. Talk about a money saver. Whole grains are also higher in fiber, which keeps you fuller for longer. This means fewer meals and snacks, better portion control, and ultimately lower food costs. Now let's talk grocery savings. Buying whole grains in bulk is often cheaper than buying refined flours. Plus, whole grains have a longer shelf life without losing their nutrient value. Milling your own flour means you can make all sorts of goodies at home, like bread, pastries, and pasta, which are typically cheaper and healthier than store-bought counterparts. And let's not forget, using every part of the grain means less food waste. Here's a cost comparison for you. A basic loaf of my homemade bread costs less than $2. Actually, it's right around $1.85. Store-bought organic bread can set you back $5 or more per loaf, and it lacks the nutrients you get in the homemade bread. It also contains additives and preservatives, even if they're not listed on the bag. The initial cost of a mill might seem high, and I get it, but it quickly pays for itself. With fewer doctor visits, less money spent on groceries, the ability to create quick and easy meals, staying full longer, it's a smart investment. Flatbreads to hot cereals to creamy soups, homemade stuffing, fresh milled flour can make meal prep quick and easy. It also transforms simple dishes into filling meals that can keep you satisfied for hours. Can you say the same about the stuff you get from the store? For families with specific dietary needs, such as those with celiac disease, milling fresh, organic, gluten-free grains at home is the best and most economical choice. So there you have it. Milling your own flour at home not only boosts your health, but also saves you money. By reducing the need for supplements, staying fuller longer, and cutting down on grocery costs, you can enjoy a healthier, more cost-effective lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and happy milling and baking. Remember, investing in freshly milled flour is an investment in your health and in your wallet. As always, if you like my videos, please like, comment, and click the bell for more notifications. If you want to be notified when this full course goes live, which will have much more detail, subscribe at justmillit.com/subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when it goes live.